know y'all might be asking, what is this? This is a piece of work I've done. It's an art piece, it's an abstract art piece, and it's what I do when I'm by myself. I do art, you know. I do video, photos, painting, whatever it is. Well, we're not really here to talk about the artwork. We're here to talk about you being by yourself. Nothing is wrong being by yourself. It's alright. Enjoy being by yourself. Nothing is wrong being by yourself. Do what you love best. If you like making music, if you like listening to music, if you like dance, if you like sing, if you like be creative, whatever it is, just enjoy doing it. Enjoy being by yourself. Love yourself. Get to know yourself. Alright? So, like I said, nothing is wrong being by yourself. It's alright. It's all good.